What's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. Today I got the best app ever for 2019. You got to have this one. Now if you're into the games, people, this is going to be the perfect watch face to have on your wrist on any given Sunday. Ladies, if you're into the games, this watch face is going to be for you as well. Now I like what ESPN brought to the table. I've been looking for a watch face app just like this one. They had a couple of them in the past, but it doesn't seem to give me what I was looking for out of a watch face of this caliber, right? It's a sports watch face. It's going to give you exactly what you're looking for, the score, right? Now, what we got is ESPN written in the background, and we also got your nice big bold digital time. You get the teams that are going to play soon, gives you the date and the time, which I thought was awesome. That way you keep up with the games, what time they come on. You don't have to go to your smartphone. You got this right on your wrist. Now, it's easy to download. It's also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Not only the watch face, but also the companion app that you got to download so you can get the information that this watch needs to get. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and let's take a look at how you download this. First, tap on your Gear Wearable app, go into View More, and then go ahead and type in ESPN watch face. Once you do that, go ahead, download it. It's going to prompt you to go get the companion app. Got to go get the companion app because you will not be able to get the information without having the companion app installed. So it's going to ask you some things, answer them, then you're going to be set so far as getting everything loaded over to your watch so far as your scores are concerned for all the teams that you want to follow on your watch. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out the actual ESPN app, the companion app. Now this is what you're going to get, right? We're going to go back. We want to go to the home screen. Go to home, and this is what you're going to get. It's going to give you some video news. It's going to give you more headlines. It's going to show you your favorites. Only got 3, but you can go in. You can add more right here. It's going to give you information and highlights of the games that you're following and also other games as well. So not only can you follow football, basketball, but you can also follow baseball and hockey as well. So I thought this was nice. You can go here. It just gives you all the scores of all the games that have been played thus far, both baseball, basketball, hockey, everything you're looking for in this sports app is going to be here, right? Now you can go to watch. We won't go there, but you can go to watch videos and things like that. ESPN Plus, what it's going to do is offer you to download this thing to watch it live at any given time, anywhere, never ever miss a game again, right? We're going to go to more. This just gives me my teams. I can add from here, NBA, NFL. I also got NCAA football, also NHL. So whatever you're looking for, soccer is here. Now let's go off into settings. Now in settings, what I did was I turned the alerts off because I really didn't want the alerts. And so I turned them all off, but if you want the breaking news, the instant awesome, the gambling, product updates and offer, go ahead and cut those things on. Me personally, I'm not going to go there. I can customize my list as well. Hold, press and hold, and you can move the order. Now let's go into this. And now you got team news, you got start game. So these are the alerts that it's going to give you also for the games like the basketball, the football, the baseball. And if that's what you're looking for, scoring plays, it's going to bring that up. I thought this was awesome. I say dig into this if you're going to download this application for your watch and also your phone. And then you can go ahead and tweak this however you see fit. But I thought this was pretty nice for a sports app. Not only that, to be on your wrist, this is awesome. Now, all I need to do is tap on my watch, and it's going to bring up my game information, right? For what games are playing, what the score was, and it's going to give me a step-by-step update, of course, on the scores as well. Now, the 3 dots at the top just simply lets me know that I got 3 games or 3 teams that I'm following. One is Green Bay, the other is the Chicago Bears, and also the Bulls. I'm going to put more teams in, but for right now, that's all that I put in. So I think this is a nice, awesome app to have, especially if you're into the games. Again, remember football season is right around the corner. You don't want to miss out on this. I don't think this will go pay, but just in case, I say download ASAP. Also, what I need for you to do is hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, because they made a sports watch face before. Matter of fact, a couple of them, but they didn't give exactly what I was looking for out of a sports watch face, but this one does. It looks good, gives you the information that you need, and also it sends it to an app that you can go see and get more update status on the teams that you are following. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.